like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came by way of Daniel from exoticnudes.com. You can go there, you can get a subscription box. You might be able to use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount, but he's got lots of different international varieties in his subscription boxes, and there's some neat stuff in there. He's always on the lookout, and one of the things he found was this. This is, what is it? Yuan Zhao, hot and sour, spicy. It does say absolute yummy on it. Yeah, sweet potato noodles with sour spicy soup. So there are multiple ways that you can prepare this. I am going with preparation style 1. Cook the vermicelli for about 2 minutes, remove it, and add appropriate amount of soup and add the matching seasoning to eat. So that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, that's what I'm gonna do. This is the vermicelli. It's it's a sweet potato noodle. How are you? It's the 6th of December 2024. It's kind of a shelf-stable fresh. See how it's a little wonky there? Wobbly. Wimbly, wambly, wombly. And yeah, so I'm kind of tired today. Holy crap. Yesterday I went and I walked almost 13 miles. Ooh, what's it doing? It's doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna do it for 2 minutes. And it's Friday. Yeah, Friday the 6th. Yeah, this stuff really doesn't need much time because it's already kind of shelf-stable. Yeah. I think this and the next one might be the last ones I do until the kids go on winter break, aka Christmas break, and then I'll get back into it because I'll try to get them out walking and doing stuff, but honestly, unless there's snow on the ground, and even then, they'll whine about it. So, yeah. There'll be a hiatus from the outdoorsiness and a return to the indoors and doing that kind of deal. So it'll be alright. It'll be okay. So I don't know exactly what they mean by a adequate amount to make it soup. I don't know how soupy I want to make this. But I will add an adequate amount of water. I can't tell you exactly how much it'll be. I'm just going to drain it and leave a little bit in a pot. So that seems reasonable to me. Yeah. 9, 8. Yeah, this stuff's done. It's kind of like udon. It's this size style of udon. It doesn't really need all that much time. In fact, you could eat this stuff raw if you wanted. All we're doing is making it warm. Oh. Yeah, I almost forgot to add or reserve the adequate amount of water. And I'm going to say that's adequate right there. So here's our adequacy. Okay. So we got a few sachets. Whoa. Unsure about that. Here's sachet 2, a large sachet, and I'm guessing sachet 3 might be, if it's sour spicy, then that's, black vinegar. There's no way this is all black vinegar. I guess there is, but this certainly feels, it's got gunk in there, so this is the spicy aspect. Come on. And the last one. This. It's even got a QR code on it if you want to. I don't know if you'll be able to get that off of it, but I will bet that this is the. Yeah, there's your black vinegar right there. Big news around these parts. Oh yeah, you can smell it. It's vinegar. We've got a. We just had a. What do you call it? TNT supermarket open. Like, what is that? Well, it's a chain. It's part of Loblaws, and it's from Canada. And we just got one over in Bellevue, Washington. Give this a try. Woo. It's not bad. Look at that. Look at how oily that is. That is some seriously oily stuff right there. Mmm. That's pretty yummy. I will agree with them on their assertion that this is yummy. It is yummy. So this is the bowl I used, I guess, on the last review you saw, or the last show. I have to be careful, because if I swirl this around much, all you're going to see is oil on the side. Come on, be slippery. There you go. Come on. Yes, you know what I'm doing. I'm talking to an egg. Oh! Oh, look at that! Oh, thank God for AI. I can fix that with AI. But that sucks. There were eggs that I had, and I was getting on the reg from the local grocery store that were just absolutely perfect. And then what happens? Where'd they go? I don't know. But they're gone. So that really freaking blows, but we're also going to add some of this. This is, oh, the wrong one. What's this one? That's the right one. Mala chili crisp from Taiwan. Part of the new chili crisps I'm sampling. I can't find the other spoon, so I'll use this spoon. So we'll use a little bit of this. Right there. Okay. I really like these chili crisps because they're not extremely salty, so it doesn't overwhelm, and it just kind of works with the saltiness of whatever you're putting it in already. There we go. Yeah, that egg though, man. Ouch. You'll see what I mean in a moment. I don't know that I've ever had this happen with an egg edge. The egg edge is all egg bobble. Yeah, we'll let that rotate for a little bit. $2.90, ladies and gentlemen. $2.90 a can. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you are gonna see is this. This is a Nissan Cup Noodles green curry from Japan. This came out of an Akama Noodles box. Go to Meow Box Japan. That's MIAU Box Japan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You may wish to unplug sensitive electronic equipment, such as computers and televisions, to avoid damage during power interruptions. Approximately 1,628 customers are also affected in your area. We are working to restore your power. The latest estimate for power to be restored is approximately November 23rd, 2024.